From worker to trader, day number 22. Plus trading with MambaFX in the real time in his private Discord channel, day number 1. What the fuck is going on, you will ask me. Yes, I paid the money for the entry for the private channel to MambaFX Discord channel. And I will show you all the information that we will have, at least for 1 month. And it will be part of the journey. I will have 2 playlists with the MambaFX strategy in the real time and with my journey from trader to worker. What the fuck? From worker to trader, I'm sorry. But I can't do the separate video because I will do all the trades in the one account, which means it doesn't make sense and I don't have a lot of time for this because unfortunately I have a job. So it will be 2 playlists but 1 video every time. I will record everything and I probably won't edit anything because I just want you to show if it works or not. You can check my description. I have no links for anything. I have no links for the trade platforms. I have no links for the courses. I have no links for the Discord channel. I'm not promoting anybody. I don't give a fuck about your money. Actually, I do give a fuck about your money. That's the reason why I didn't have a link in my description, okay? I just wanted you to see all the journey, all my journey, with all the mistakes, with all the bullshit that I'm sometimes doing, right? And with this new strategy or whatever, you will see if he's lying to you or not. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know how it will be, but anyways. And sometimes I will do only his trades. Sometimes I will do my own trades. For example, today I did my own trades, but you will see everything in this video. So why I decided to buy the entry in this Discord channel. For those who didn't know, 2 days ago I started to using the new strategy, the MambaFX breakout strategy, and this strategy didn't work for me. So I just started to think about maybe it's not problem with the strategy, maybe it's problem with me and I can't use this strategy. So I decided to see how it goes and learn from the owner of the strategy, because a couple of days ago I started to learn new information about the volume, about the footprint, about the order flow. All this, it's actually almost the same. I mean, it's the part of the order flow, whatever. And it's really interesting because almost every professional trader using order flow, but at the same time, nobody from the YouTubers using the order flow. Which is crazy, from the YouTube gurus, I mean. And then I started to think about, we have professional traders, we have YouTubers, gurus. If I can pay $100 per month and I don't need to learn information about the volume and all that stuff, and from the $100 per month I can make billions of dollars, it even sounds really stupid, bruh, like. But if it works, it's just crazy. I watched a lot of videos about YouTube gurus and all that stuff, but I never believe in it. Because all of these guys, they always have link in the description, which is how I can believe to you if you are doing the same shit as YouTube gurus. You just want me to pay you money. But why nobody gives the straight information without any links? Why? Bro, you have a YouTube. YouTube will pay you money for this from the AdSense. And at the same time, if you are a good trader, you will make money from the trading, which means you have at least 2 forms of income. But you want to sell something? At least you want to sell a dream. It's not a product, okay? It's just a fucking dream. If I want to sell you this kind of stuff, it's product. It's okay. But if I want you to sell a dream, it's not okay, bro. Because I literally just want your money. So that's the reason why I paid money for this, because I want you guys to show real information without any fucking links, okay? That was pretty big intro, but I really want you to understand what I'm doing and why. And I want you to show all my journey. I guess I already said this. So enjoy your video, guys. But the final decision to buy entry in the private Discord channel of MambaFX I did after I watched this guy video. First thing first, I love this guy videos just because he is maybe very similar to me, like personality, and he shows information with the negative traits here. So yes, I always trying to do everything in 100%. If it's not my idea in 100%, I will tell you this. So this guy bought the entry on the private channel of the MambaFX first, okay? He did this first. But one thing that I don't like about this guy, I will show you. For example, this video where he bought the entry in the private Discord channel. He has link in the description to this private channel, which means he probably could have some percentage from this. So maybe if I will buy the course from this link, he has a percentage. I'm not sure about this, but it's not all that I think about. He has this video. And all this video has one simple thing. It's link on the description to their prop firm. If you will click on this link, you will have this prop firm. And if you will go on the MambaFX channel,
I will refresh the page just to make sure. If you will click here, boom, you will have the same prop firm. So in my opinion, you can't be objective if you are trying to record some true video about MambaFX if you will use the same link for the same prop firm. For me, it's like, it's a little bit weird, okay? Because if the MambaFX is a scammer, for example, I'm not trying to say that he's a scammer, but if, which means he trying to promote almost scam prop firm, right? Which means you're trying to do the same, you know? You know what I mean? And the same link with the MambaFX Discord channel. Why you post this link? If for example, after 10 videos, you will see that it's not working. So why do you have this link? Nobody knows, right? But anyways, it means nothing, right? Maybe this guy is true guy or something like this, whatever, whatever, whatever. I just wanna to record real video without any links and then measure this video with this guy. Maybe he will, hide something. Maybe no, I don't know. But I will do this in 100% true, without any links, without anything. If we will have some like 10 trades in a row, minus trades, I will show you this. If we will have 10 plus trades in a row, very beautiful trades, I will show you this. Okay guys, here is MambaFX. Here is MambaFX. I reloaded the page twice just to make sure that everything is fine. Then I'm going to his first video, simple trading. Live day trading, making $19,000. Reload. Everything is fine. Okay. Then we goes here. Free live trading signals. I don't know why it's free, but anyways, it's $100 per month. It's very stupid decision, but I should do this. I will record everything just to make sure that you see that everything is working, that I really spent my money for this and I'm not a rich guy, okay? Damn, that's so stupid. Okay, join. Let's go. Whew, let's go. Let's do it, Max. It's only for content. Damn. Damn, I just spent my money to so stupid decision. Anyway. Okay, what's the name? Yes. Damn. Pick a username. Instagram. It's like claiming your Instagram. Okay, months. Pretty much August. Day 22 year 2001. Yeah, we will. Wait. I can use only pics and only one panda, right? So he thinks that we are pigs. Anyways. Everything is recording? Okay, because I spent my fucking money. Connect account. Okay, what about the Discord? Where we should be? Oh, now we're here. Okay, that's so stupid, bro. So 98 people just right now waiting for the MambaFX. We already took liquidity from the bottom. We're trying to break this level of support, which means we can go higher. Probably today is very bullish market, very bullish because we already took the liquidity from here, so it makes sense to go up. Today we have no news. And Dow Jones, the same situation, huh? Yeah, we already took liquidity in the 1 a.m., which was the London session. And right now we are going back to these levels. I marked these levels before, so it makes sense. Yeah, probably it will be very, very bullish movement. Let's see how it goes.
It's good, everybody. Can you guys all hear
Let's go.
and see my screen? First and foremost. Let's get it.
Okay.
Let's get it then.
The same one? Yeah.
The freaking daily? What's happening right now? There we go. Alright. Extremely overbought today. Especially on US 30. If I take a look at NASDAQ. Got a couple. What the fuck? Popped up on my screen. We got a couple points to look at here, but The thing is, we really need price to push back down. There's no entries for us right now. And the market's open in about 30 seconds, so we'll see. First and foremost, we just need things to push back down. If we want a shot at taking a trade at least. Wow, I wonder why they're going up so much. Or if there's a crazy amount of news or something. We have news, but not yet. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Holy
Bro.
shit.
What is happening?
Yeah, that's a lot.
For the markets to be taking off like that. That is ridiculous. Very, very ridiculous. Screen's black. Alright, well. Not like you guys want to see this anyways. It's pretty atrocious, but I'll stop and then come back to it.
Everything was fine! Who did this?
Alright, can you guys see my screen?
Everything was fine, bruh.
Okay, good.
Who the fuck he's asking for? The
Alright.
chat is blocks.
Some people are different. Nasdaq's just gone. There's not even an opportunity. Thank you.
Holy shit. What the fuck?
Only thing I can really do with Nasdaq is like scalp it down, but US 30's pushing as well. There's just no entry zone. It's just randomly pushing. We can't just take trades because it's pushing. That's how we get destroyed.
Wow, that's
I think it's going though.
a good thoughts right there.
I wish I could walk you guys through scalping it down, but it's a little dangerous.
Wow, he thinks about this. What the hell? I thought it will be scam or something like this. I'll be honest, guys. I'm just trying to test the strategy. It's trying to test all this. I thought he'll say like, let's go long or something. Wow. Okay. We're still pushing. We're still pushing.
Don't worry, guys. You're not taking no trade here. Take a buy on US 30. That's pretty crazy, bro. Look at Nasdaq though. Nasdaq's even worse.
Wow. Wow.
At that peak. I wish I could help out here, but markets are a little
Yeah, it's
little
crazy.
unhinged, man.
Yeah, it's just a little bit
A
crazy.
little unhinged.
Holy shit. Wait. It's Nasdaq. Okay.
This don't feel like home. It's just walls, doors, and floors. I don't
It's just flying, bruh.
remember when it used to mean more. I mean, it ain't much, but I'm not.
Holy shit. That looks so juicy. I don't wanna watch this.
Yeah, look. Oh my God, look at Nasdaq right now. Hey, look at the markets right now. Let's just do that. This is insane. This is insane. Just ignore the trade sounds, guys. Don't even think about them. All right? Don't even fucking think about them.
I guess he's a smart guy. I started to change my mind because I thought he will just say some really bullshit. Wow.
Things.
Because avoid the trades is the most difficult part in the trading. One of the most difficult parts. Okay. What the fuck was that with the Nasdaq? Dude, it's just crazy.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not even just about being fast enough. Right? It's not about being fast. I mean, I'm scalping the shit out of the markets right now, but it's not about being fast enough. It's the fact that, there's just nothing here. Like we could have entered over here at 6 a.m. It's just not our game plan. It's not what we do. You don't do things you don't normally do. And you don't look back at situations and say, well, I could have done that. Well, yeah, we could have bought in at 6 a.m., but we don't. And we never would in a million years. Um, it just doesn't happen. And it's unrealistic. But, yeah, that's the truth. I don't know what else to say. And that thing is, these things are going wild. If we look at the 1 minute time frame, look at that. There's nothing you do there. There's nothing to do there. You just don't. You don't get crazy because it's like, well, what's pushing? Let's just buy. It's just not. It's not trading. But regardless of that, where would you take a sell at all? I don't know if that I would take a sell like
Holy
that.
shit. Holy shit. A half of percent.
Why would you never trade in the London? So for London session, I've traded London session very, very well. But we go France 40 and UK 100 right here. See these two? This is London session. And during London session, these two move literally exactly the same as NASDAQ and US 30. Exactly the same. No joke. So, yeah. I can't say if there's going to be trades today. I'm sitting here watching them with you. We also don't want to just get in just to get in. Unless you guys want to get in just to get in, let me know. If you guys would like to just trade blindly and gamble, type a
Yeah!
one in the chat.
Let's go! Type 1 in the chat. Let's go. But
There
the
you go,
chat
Frank.
is closed!
There you go. I better not see a 1. If you would be in the trade, I wouldn't be in the trade. If I was in the trade, which trade? A buy or a sell? Because I can't even tell you what I'd do. There's nothing to do here. This happens time to time, but you know what I think hurts you guys? Is going to hurt you guys a lot. What I know is hurting you guys already is being impatient and wanting to trade no matter what.
Yeah, it's true.
You see what I'm saying? A lot of you guys have to trade. I don't even think you guys can go a day with. When was the last time you went an entire day without trading? Seriously, I want to know.
Never.
Everybody write their answer down below.
Slower. Just
When was the
never.
last time that you went one full day with no trading at all?
Like literally never.
Other than Fridays on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday.
Where is he chatting?
Gosh, it's hard to ask this question because you guys are here with me, but I guess I'm trying to ask without me though. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with me is obvious because I trade every day, but
Holy shit.
I know. That's why I'm thinking about that question and I'm like, that's kind of stupid. We trade together every day, so never mind. Anyways, there's a lot of times where you guys traded you shouldn't. It's as simple as that. But we win way too fucking often to get on here and risk shit because we're bored. Look at NASDAQ. Are you going to trade that? What do you guys see right there? You guys see a nice little entry? We broke out at 6 a.m. We start trading at 6:30, which is here. There's nothing there. Same thing with US 30. 6:30. We don't even have anything to go off of. We could zoom out. There's nothing. We can't be taking trades blind, guys. Now, we can wait and see if price pushes back down to a decent zone. I mean, US 30 has a better chance, right? Because we could take a sell position if we break below that zone. It's the only position we can take, though.
Yeah.
NASDAQ's done for. There's nothing with NASDAQ.
That's crazy. We bounced from this level actually. I guess he knows better, huh? Have Andrew Tate here. Where is Brandon? Brandon is not here. Anyway. Dude, it's just fucking crazy. Just, it's so annoying. Look at that. Without any news, which is really interesting. Wow. Just wow. I said that we bullish today, but
Still here, by the way, guys. I don't know.
nice correction, bro. Nice correction. Nice retracement. Retracement? It's not called retracement, it calls something different. It calls pullback. Retracement, actually. Nice retracement, bro. Nice retracement.
Well, guys, I don't know what else there is to say or do.
Retracement, nice retracement.
But we will come back tomorrow and we'll make some money. Marcus didn't give us a look today. There's nothing we can do about it. We're going to come back tomorrow. We'll make money. Yesterday was a great day. Day before, great day. Last week, insane week. It's all right. There's nothing here. Rather not trade than lose. I'll tell you that right the fuck now. You'll learn that as you go on. You would rather not trade than take a L. But we'll come back tomorrow, guys. All right. See you guys later.
Ain't no way. Actually, I expect anything, but not this. I mean, I really expect that we will, open some trades, make some money or something like this. But right now, it's really interesting decision that he make. Like to not trade. I never seen this before. Like I thought we will just, go and make some money or something like this. That's interesting. That's interesting. But we will wait a little bit more time. Maybe he will come back or something like this. Anyway. What I see right now, I'm a little bit surprised that we didn't trade today because I never did this. I always trade every day and I always blew my accounts. So yeah, if I was alone, probably I will open my trade here to the long position, but it's really risky. It's really risky. We break all these zones like it's nothing. It's just insane, bro. It's very weird. It's fucking ton of money, but at the same situation, in this situation like this, the people just losing their money. And right now I have a little bit pull back. Yeah, probably I should learn, right? If this dude, he knows something about this, probably we will learn. None. Risk rate, 0. Rewards is 0. 0. Stop loss is 0. Win, none. Trade, 0. Net result, what the hell? Total P&L, 0. The result, Brandon. More, pay. Result. Okay, Nasdaq, let's see, Wednesday. Mamba Day result. None. None. Daily. Minus 5 account points. YouTube channel, trade screenshot. There is no screenshot. Alright, it should be color over here, right? It's white color. Yeah, nothing. Where we did nothing. What's the color shade? The white is okay. The ChatGPT said a gray color is a pretty nice option. Okay, no problem, gray color. Boom. Okay, today was Wednesday. We did nothing, so we didn't lose and we didn't win. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. What about the market? Shit. Bro, it's just insane. I never seen this like this. Wow. I would like to see on the charts sometimes. There is nothing we can do right now. It's true. It's pretty true. We have zone right here. This zone is pretty nice zone. Pretty juicy. Pretty juicy zone. I don't know, guys. Like, if you want to see that kind of content when we did nothing, but in my opinion, you should see everything. Every my fucking day of this journey, of this 30 days period, right? Like, you should see everything. If we did not trades, I will show you this. If we did a couple of trades, I will show you this. If we lose the money, I will show you this. Everything. Because it's the whole point of all of this, right? So yeah. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Okay. Just insane, bro. Just insane. Now we're talking. This is pretty nice movement over here. Which means we're trying to fight with the limit orders. Or we don't give a fuck about them. There is nothing we can do, he said. But 7 guys still waiting, huh? Trader's floor. Beautiful trader's floor. Recordings. Okay. All the recordings, pretty nice. Announcement. Member profits. Join today. Now we have a pullback from the zone of support. I could probably short this after this candle. But at the same time, we don't have a volume to goes down. It looks like just retracement. Like, look at this. There is no volume to goes down. Nobody pushing the price. Me specifically, do we want to break this level? Maybe. But we have pullback here. Okay. A little bit volume here. 5 minutes. Hmm. It's still green candle. It looks like bullish flag. We did highest high of these two candles. Pretty nice entry over here. What if we will just enter here? For example, we did this. Something like backtesting. Have a pullback. And boom. That was trap for buyers. A little bit consolidation. Wow. Whoa. Extremely respect the zone. There was 600 people who paid $100, which means it's $60,000. Wait. Ten people who paid. Wait, I did something wrong. 600 people paid for one. It's fucking really $60,000. $60,000 per month. And now we have a pullback. So if we did the entry over there, we will lose such a ton. Oh, we will lose just a ton of money. Pretty nice choice to not trade. This candle is not bigger than this candle, but here we have 1,000 sellers. Here we have 2,000. I mean, 1,000 buyers, but here, fuck you, bitch. 700 sellers. This candle is bigger than this candle, but at the same time, we have less sellers than buyers. Interesting. Now we have a pullback to our entry zone. Yes, sure. And now look at this market, bro. We literally hit this level. That's funny. That's really funny. We literally just crushed this level. So if my zone of entry was here, 1-to-1 risk to reward, pretty much it. I would like to see on this zone of retest. We break this level, that's it. Like, there is nothing we can do with it. Uh, so we break this level, what's next? We're trying to understand what we want to do. Okay, we want to be here, right? Okay. Holy shit. Wait, there is a dodgy over here. I don't like dodgy. It seems like I want to sell. Because we break the level. We have dodge, we break the level. I guess it's fake breakout. We have a lot of volume, which means we like. Or should I take only Mamba strategy entries? So if I was in the cell right here, probably right here. Wanted to see nobody like you. Probably Mamba wants to open his trade right now to the short position in the YM. I never wanted to see nobody like you. And here we go. My entry zone was just perfect zone. Damn it. My entry zone right here to the upper side and my zone of entry right here to the downside. I guess you should always listen to yourself. Just 2 plus trades. I lose 2 plus trades. I don't think that we wants to go up. I don't think so. Now we wait for the confirmation right here. Who will win this battle? Strong rejection, very strong rejection. But after fake breakout, we can go a little bit higher. Now it's the so this level is pretty nice level, huh? A lot of people wants to sell over there, which means we wants to sell too. But in the small time frames, we can't break this level. So
Order filled.
I open my trade right here. At least 1-to-1 risk reward. Because we can't break this level. Fuck you, man. Why you call me at 9 a.m., bruh? Fucking idiot. So yeah. I opened my trade. Let's see how it goes. I lose 3 fucking trades. That's pretty frustrating. That's pretty frustrating. Actually, What the fuck am I doing right now? Yeah, it's 2 to 1 risk to reward. Bro, I'm not even in the job. Fucking idiot. Du-du-du-du-du-du-du-du-du. Pretty nice entry. Do we still, I mean, my take profit should be right there.
Order filled.
We want to fight with this area so nobody knows what will be there. So, in my opinion, I should close my trade right here. Let's see. I had beautiful entries everywhere. God damn it. I feel price action right here very nicely. Now after this zone, we're trying to pull back. We're trying to, if we can't break this level, like if we will pull back, I mean it's not pull back, if we will return and goes up and try to break this level again and we can't, it will be strong movement to the downside because we tried this a lot of times. So right now we're just waiting for the confirmation from here. In the Nasdaq mini, I don't like so much contracts, it will be 10 contracts. Let's see. I don't wanna open my trade to the upper side because nobody knows what will happen. Let's see on the price action in 100%. Okay, how much volume? Almost 2 grand. How much volume here? Wow. Holy shit. Okay. 2 grand wants to buy here, here. 4 grand to buyer. Wow. Okay, a lot of volume. A lot of volume. So probably it's the good opportunity to open the long position. Wow. Wait. It's a good opportunity to wait. Why he didn't, the Mamba didn't want to open his trade right now? He said if we will break this level to the downside, he will think about it. Who knows? Okay, what we are trying to do right now? We're trying to break this level one more time. We have liquidity, a little bit more liquidity here. A little bit of stop losses, not too much. So, do we want to break them? Do we want to break this level again? Let's see how we react on this level. 200 sales, one grand, and 700. A little bit more patient, a little bit more price action. Do 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 do. Na 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 na. Then we can go really a lot over here. How many how many buys? 800 over here. 800, bro. 2 grand buyers here, but we break this. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Probably now, after this shadow, maybe we could break this level. I want to open my long position right here. Yeah, probably it will be long. Right here and right now.
Order filled.
Our stop loss will be here. I think we want to break this level. I think we want to break this level because we have a lot of shadows, because we tested this level like 3 times, and right now, where we are, okay, here, we have a pullback. We have a pullback, not very strong pullback actually. 1 grand buyers. Mhm. That will be last trade for us for today. I just wanted to see how it works. We have a strong pullback. That's okay. I think we still can do anything. We're still fighting. How many sailors? Wow, 1.5. 1,500. That's fucking a lot. I think it's fake, right? Like, we have a lot of shadows over here, which means we're trying to push really very hard. Yeah. How many buyers? 500. It's I did. It's the second trade, right? Okay. We did this 1, 2, 3 times. If we, I don't like this. Probably somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? 1,500 buyers and we can't push this price? It's 3,000 sellers. Damn it. 3,000 sellers. Are you crazy? 3,000 sellers. Wow. Actually, we tried to break this level 3 times and do we want to go up or no? Just tell me. Do 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 do. I did like 3 very interesting entries. 2 without money, 1 with money. Right now we can just take my stop loss and then goes up. It's very unfortunately, but it will be like that. I really knew it. It's pretty obvious actually. I never wanted to do. The hope dies last. Yeah, my entry is awful or what? Who knows, bruh? It will be funny pullback. It will be really funny pullback. 2 grand volume already. 2 grand. We have 2 grand sellers here, but 2 grand buyers. Wait. It's very interesting. Don't take my stop loss.
Order filled.
Fucking hate you. Alright. Today's minus $200. Whatever. I did 2 trades for today. Yeah. Okay. Nothing new. My entry was so awful. Wow. My entry was right there. Maybe Mamba knows something, huh? That he didn't trade. Damn, I had to rate. Alright, we tried to break this level many times. And now I don't understand where we want to go. Up or down? Losing trades, it's still trades. Who wants to break this level of support? We don't have a volume at all. Right now it's the middle of nowhere, so just a little bit more patient. Damn, I would like to go down here. wants to goes down or what we are trying to do?
Order filled.
At least we're trying to fill this gap. It's one more beautiful entry, or what is this? Yeah, bounce from my fucking entry. Come on, bitch. Are you fucking serious right now? Two two one risk to reward. Right there. I want to big pullback. Point of control right there.
Order filled.
Не могу делать плюс. I can't do like this. I mean, too much money. Probably I can do it like that. I opened two contracts right now. It's the zone of support. I mean, of resistance right here. Let's see what we want to do with this. What's the risk to reward ratio right here for the short position? I mean, like this. They did. Sorry guys, I had a phone call. Right now we are pushing on the downside. When you dealer, it's so stupid that some customers just call you when you are not even in the job. I mean, my job time is from the 10 a.m. Right now it's 9:30. Let's go. Push, push, push down. Let's go. Let's go. More.
Order filled.
Fuck it, bruh. Fuck it. Wait, I did plus $600, bro. Fucking shit. Wait. It's the customer fault. It's the fucking customer's fault. I should wait a little bit more. But I had this pullback and I was like, okay. Ah, shit, I should wait a little bit more. Maybe one more trade. Bro, what the fuck are you doing? You already did plus $600. That was pretty nice trade, bro. That was pretty nice trade. Just please, don't ruin your everything. Don't ruin. You're I should wait. Fuck. I should move my stop loss to the break-even point. Fucking customer. He called to me and I was like, damn. I was so distracted. Anyways, yeah, I should control myself. In the long term, I will lose my money if I will do mistakes like this. Fucking customer. Idiot. Why you called me today? Anyway, yeah, that was day number one of that was day number two from the that was from the worker to trader day number 22, and at the same time that was the day number one with trading with the MambaFX online in the live stream. Anyway, that was a pretty nice day. I did plus $600, but I should anyway close the trade very early. I closed this trade very early. Yeah, it's obvious that we wants to push a little bit more. Um, it's just insane, bro. I just was afraid of pullback, but it's normally like you won, Max. You won. You close your trade very early, and right now you're trying to do bullshit stuff. Idiot. Alright, guys, that was the day number 22 of from worker to trader. Fuck. Okay, guys, that was from the worker to trader day number 22. I did everything correct, except the last trade because I should close my trade with plus $1,000, 1,200, but I did a little bit more mistakes and I closed my trade earlier, which is not fine, which is not great. Anyway, we will come back tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.